Dr. Ranganathan, the nub of the issue is that the MHA says that Amnesty received permission under FCRA only once, and that too 2 decades ago. Since then, they have been denied FCRA permission by successive governments, including the UPA. I've shown you and cited to you the past in 2009, where under Mr. Chidambaram that happened. However, the allegation is that Amnesty circumvented the law by routing the money as FDI. Why is that? Why is that? It's a non-profit organization. So, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, what do you make out of this?
Rahul, to paraphrase JFK, ask not how these human rights activists became frauds. Ask how these frauds became human rights activists. I repeat, you have to be high and expecting a knock from the NCB if you believe a word of what Amnesty peddles in the name of human rights. These are gangrenous, psychopathic rejects of the society, unemployable failures in life, but made employable only through some crumbs thrown at them by Darbaris and leftists, so they peddle their fake narrative handed down to them every day. And the less said about their dynasty sycophant chief, the better. His tweets and writings are a landfill of lies, distortions, propaganda and mediocrity. I might be accused of body shaming if I commented on the pitiful size of his cerebrum. I fear the man relishes the prospect of being wrong with the joyous metronomicity of a Tanpura, Bajate Rao. But Rahul, to be serious, please give me a minute. Remember, Amnesty is in the net for taking 36 crores, violating the FCRA Act and FEMA. Their own head of gender accused them of misogyny and being in bed with rampaging Islamists. They have been caught peddling fake news umpteen times, but refused to apologize even when challenged, like when they were in 2018 by the UP police. They shamelessly peddled the fake church attack narrative, accusing Hindus of desecrating churches when they were simply burglaries. They peddled rising intolerance, emergencies here narrative. Their activists advocated and cushioned casteist violence in 2018. Their chief wrote glowing eulogy of Vijay Mallya after he got into trouble for scamming and the GSA suspended his license. They hawked sickeningly selective hate trackers to promote scaremongering. 30 seconds, Rahul. Ignoring the more than 100 hate crime lynchings and attempted lynchings by Muslim mobs and Hindus, Dalits and non-Dalits. They talked of human rights in Kashmir, again based on fake news and Pakistani propaganda. These same sickle ninjas were completely silent for decades when the human rights of lakhs of Dalits, Valmikis, Gurkhas, women, refugees and gays were being trampled upon by
these are two issues.
317-35A. Absolutely shameless propaganda artists.
Okay, there are 2 issues
10
here.
Seconds,
One
Rahul,
is their right to...
Saying,
no, 1 second.
These guys got the Nobel Peace Prize in '77. Even Henry Kissinger got the Nobel Peace Prize.